In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in Canva. This is a simple effect that helps your text look like it is following a circular path, which is great for logos, badges, stickers, and attention-grabbing designs. I will guide you through the process step by step, and you can pause and follow along as you work. First, you will add your text. Go ahead and press T on your keyboard to create a text box. When the text box appears, click inside it and type your message. Take a moment to confirm that the text you typed looks correct at this stage. You can also adjust the font, size, or letter spacing later, but for now, make sure the wording is what you want to appear on the circle. With your text box selected, look at the top toolbar and click Effects. This is where Canva groups formatting options that go beyond basic text styling. If you do not see the menu right away, make sure you have clicked the actual text box and not just clicked on the blank canvas. Now you will curve the text so it wraps around a circle. In the Effects panel, find the Shape category and then click Curve. Once you choose Curve, Canva will apply a curved layout to your selected text. This is the key move that makes your letters follow an arc instead of sitting on a flat line. After applying the curve effect, you will fine-tune how tight or wide the circle looks. Look for the slider that appears underneath the curve effect. Move the slider slowly and watch the text bend as you adjust it. If you move it one direction, the letters will curve more strongly. If you move it the other direction, the curve will relax. Keep adjusting until the text forms a circle shape that matches what you want. For most designs, you will want the bend to be strong enough that it reads like a full ring, but not so extreme that the letters become unreadable. Take your time here because this is where the final look is determined. At this point, you should have your text wrapped around a circle, with optional bottom text forming a neat complementary arc. You can now review the design as a whole and make small adjustments to ensure everything looks centered and readable. If needed, you can move the text boxes slightly so they sit perfectly within the circle area you are creating. In just a few steps, you can turn regular text into a circular wrap effect using Canva's curve option, with a clean top and bottom layout if you choose to add it.